Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this dinosaur and they want to get rid of, not only they want to get rid of these spots because they're going to put wordage in here, but they want to get rid of this. So I think it's pretty easy. We're going to find out how big this guy is. It's already been traced and ungrouped. I'm pretty sure it's ungrouped. Yep. It is less than 6 inches, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 6. We are going to do something that's a little different. I'm going to take the rectangle box. Well, first of all, I could probably get rid of these dots. They don't want the interior dots. And there was also probably some white, but in this particular case, we don't really care. So, got rid of all that. The main question is they want to get rid of that. I don't know if you can see that, it's just spiky nodes. So we're going to take the rectangle tool, make sure our nudge factor is still on 6, and we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on yellow, just for instance, and we're going to make an outline, and you can see that it doesn't, it makes the shape of the dinosaur. Tell you what, let me change the nudge factor to a little bit more than 6. So it's outside of our red box. I'm going to make it 7. So take the Smart Fill tool. This is going to get us the outside shape. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart. I'm going to get rid of my box. Now I have the outside shape. Now there's some inside shapes that the Smart Fill tool couldn't get into. So we're going to take those shapes and nudge them over. And maybe even one more. And then we can take those 3 shapes and we can left click, right click, and now we have that. Now we can take the interior part of the dinosaur and put it over there, and we can left click, right click. Now the only thing wrong, so we got rid of those spiky nodes. The only thing wrong with this is and you could fix it, is it's going to make the dinosaur look totally different when we fill in. And because we got double lines, so we take the Smart Fill tool now set on black, it's going to fill in as back scales. But who says that's not good anyway? I wish I could have got rid of it. Let me go to Object, break curve apart one more time and get rid of that circle. And then you could move his eye over, you know, because it's broken in half, and kind of complete his eye and maybe even his eyeball. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty rough. I'd almost redraw that. At least make it black. And tell you what, let's make it an outline of black and see what it looks like over here. I would definitely work on that. Maybe just take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in with black and get a shape. But I would make it, I just can't stand for stuff like that. Now we've got a few people or a few places in his foot that have a little sharp node. Now, if you see that line, if I click on that, that line's all the way around. I can select it all and hit delete. And now that double line is gone, and now I've just got an outline, so I can manipulate these nodes and get rid of those sharpness. I'm guessing we're gonna, you know, you could keep this as a shadow. You know, that doesn't look half bad. Or you could, you know, we back up enough, you could possibly block off those scales. Let's think how we could do that. Let's see what that line consists of. See, it's just a line. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of, and tell you what, I'm going to make part 2 on that. Can't grab it, so I need to grab it. Whoop. And whenever you see anything move it back. I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart so I can get rid of this line. I am going to get rid of that part right there in another part. I try not to keep my videos so long in case nobody's interested. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.